So after I until the signature, the contract, I wanna check the signature. Look at this. This is the 1:51 p.m. Indonesia time. And after I accept to continue to the next step, I check the PDF. I check the PDF and I confirm the Paris time. Okay, Jakarta is 5 ahead of Paris. So now, if the in Jakarta 30:52, the Paris is should display at 5:52. So after I complete and I check in the PDF summary, because the problem is Paris time is 1 hour short in the transfer form summary PDF, admission form summary PDF, sign contract amendment. So I will try to check the summary PDF, go to the signature. So the PDF summary. And look at this. Okay, now does it display like this? Summary. So I signed summary. Paris time. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. The difference is we'll try to copy. When I check, does it still display 7:52? This is still display Paris 1 hour. Paris 1 hour short, yeah. So the first time is still displaying up like this. Then I check in the PDF. The PDF not displaying. Okay. So this is not matched with a sign of the Paris time in the PDF. This is not matched also from here. Okay, we'll try to check for another for the signed contract amendment. Okay. After I check the contract amendment, is it also display like the PDF summary and the transfer program form? Okay. Okay. Wait. Check the books and check the summary. Display like that. Okay, let me check the transfer program form.
Kalau formnya belum selesai, maksudnya before. Kalau formnya udah selesai, maksudnya
Okay, let me check the signature. I'll compare with here. School contract amendment. 392. Okay, same like that. But the time I need to confirm again to the developer about this. Okay, even there is no match with anything. Box transfer, because when I see the signature in the step summary, it's not match with the Paris time that I selected. Okay, is it the display here? Like that. September 25 is Paris time. Even I already to the signature in the 1 p.m. No, 2 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. before 1 p.m. Okay, but it's not displayed like that.